What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be working on my 97 Mitsubishi Mirage. I'm going to be installing a front bumper lip. This is from a 99 or a 2000 Honda Civic. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and remove this black trim from underneath. That was some other garden edging that I had installed a while back. So the first thing I'm going to do is just turn the tires, take a few bolts off so I can remove the bumper. It's quite easy. So I'll just go ahead and take off that bumper and we'll go from there. The old bumper lip is off, which was just garden edging, which I found at Walmart. This was 2 inches high, and right here on all these tabs is where you would stick the stakes on it, hammer it onto the ground, separate your lawn from your garden. So that's off already. Clean this up a bit. So next, all right. All right, so just installed like that. It does match, I guess, the length of it. The edge right here folds at the edge of the bumper really nice. It's not too long or too short. Right here there's a small gap. I'm thinking of using the heat gun and just warming up the plastic so I can push it in. Right here on top of this grill section, I don't like the way this is sitting right here. I know it's pretty hard to see. Right now I'll put this on the car so we can take a better look, but I'm not really liking the way it sits on top. But we'll look into that. And over here, same thing. I guess the plastic, just warm it up with the heat gun, that way I can push it. I'm not sure about putting some rivets, but if nothing else, I might. So for right now, let's go ahead and put this back in the car. That way we can take a better look at it. Alright guys, so there it is, the bumper lip already installed. The bumper is not attached to the car yet. It doesn't have any screws or anything like that. So it's just being held up on its own. Right here, the plastic in the middle. I didn't know what to think about it at the beginning, but I guess it's alright. The line fits somewhat okay. Just didn't like this through the top. But other than that, there's a small gap right here on the bumper edge. So what I was thinking right here, just get the heat gun, warm up the plastic, and just get it closer. Maybe put a rivet if I have to. Over here on this side, same deal. Small little gap right there. Could barely fit my finger in there. But just same thing, just warm up the plastic, get it closer. Maybe put a rivet or something. The bumper's not attached yet. But that's it, guys. That was it for this video. Just wanted to try out this bumper. I know somebody had left me a comment to try out the 99 to a 2000 Honda Civic front bumper lip, and well, there it is. Thanks for the suggestion. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. I still have a few more mods coming up, so be sure to stay tuned. Also, share this video if you can, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.